Traveling the world, going to places you wanted to visit the most, or maybe just spending as much time as you want on your hobbies. I mean, who wouldn't yearn for these, right? There are many examples of people who make dreams come true by using digital goods like NFTs. And in this video, we're going to first introduce what NFTs are and then check out the top 3 passive income methods that are available for making money from NFTs. NFTs are digital assets. To be precise, non-fungible tokens that live on a blockchain. Non-fungible indicates that they are irreplaceable. In simple words, the NFT you see, like, and save as a JPEG isn't multiplied or altered by your action in any way, since blockchain confirms the original. But in case you can't wrap your head around how this happens, we have a great video you can watch and learn what NFTs are. Link is in the description below. So there are a couple of strategies that you can follow when it comes to investing and leaving the NFT to do the work. We're going to talk about the 3 most known methods. Number 1, staking the NFTs. Number 2, profit sharing and royalties. And number 3, renting the NFTs. Let's talk about the staking first. Everyone in this space tries to find an income source that is as passive as possible, and NFT staking is exactly an investment method that fits this description. For staking, you have to commit your NFT to the network, and as a reward for doing so, you'll get some cash. But you might ask, is that as easy as it sounds? Well, there is always a twist. While your pledged NFT is on the network, you can't really interact with it, meaning there is no trading, selling, or exchanging as long as you stake. And there is a reason for that. A certain portion of the token needs to be locked so transactions process quickly. This way, you help maintain the network security, and this is exactly why you get incentivized. Take Bored Ape Yacht Club or Mutant Ape Yacht Club collections. These collections started to reward the NFT owners with a token that is called ApeCoin. Let's say you hold a couple of mutant apes in your wallet. Each NFT you own will have an allocation of tokens that you can claim on ApeCoin's website. And as a plus, these tokens are exchangeable on the market. Although, since you can't really sell your NFT while staking, the value can drop significantly, causing you to lose a big chunk of money. Nevertheless, if you are already planning to hold it for a long period of time, it is a good way of making some cash. Next up is profit sharing and royalties. And this is quite a bit of a different method that profits both creator and NFT owners. So hold on tight and let us explain. Some NFT projects that do sales or make money on trades might share this profit with their NFT holders at a certain point. But what does it really mean? So when you hold an NFT, the project simply tells you, "Hey, thanks for supporting the project and being a member. Here's your prize." This is great news for those who are on the creator side of the scene. The last method of passive income through NFTs on our list includes renting out digital assets to gamers. These NFTs can be anything that is utilized in that specific game, like a strong weapon or a crucial tool to progress, maybe even a set of skins that just look cool. For example, Axie Infinity. It's a turn-based play-to-earn NFT game. In order to play, you have to own 3 monsters called Axies first, but if you can't afford 3 Axies, you can borrow them from someone, which is called a scholarship. While you play and earn for yourself, the lender would get a fee from what you earn too. It's also good to keep in mind that these NFTs are only viable in the game, and you'll only be able to earn passive income as long as the players need that NFT you are holding onto. So if the game loses a big portion of its player base or becomes less popular, you can pour your passive income dreams into the ocean. And there you have it. We just covered the top 3 ways of generating a passive income using NFTs. Now it's only for you to decide whether you want to go with any of these methods or not. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to stick around. See you in the next one.